My name is Elizabeth DiGiovanna and I live in Mount Dora in Lake County, Florida. I was driving home from work one day, and I've had these phone calls before and I've hung up on people, but I decided I had to drive, so I'd listen. Paul Dudley, he was very informative. He had everything laid out for us. He just made it so smooth. It was just so trusting. He explained to us that there should be a malfunction or anything happens in a storm, that they would repair it. As if we were to purchase it, it would be for us to repair and to maintain. So the lease is the best option for any homeowner.
Should we sell this house? It'd be a good selling point to show that their electric bill will not be astronomical, that it'll be very reasonable, that they'll be saving the environment. We're cutting back on fossil fuels, because fossil fuels, let's face it, are obsolete.
I'm excited for the future generations, that they're going to have a cleaner environment with a planet run by the sun, and that's what Sunrun is creating.